I love making stuff. I trained as a furniture maker, so that's what I thought I was going to do. And I had a friend that worked in a school, so I thought, I'm a furniture maker. I'll go make furniture with children. So I went into the school and tried to use cardboard then, and it was a disaster because the kids couldn't cut the cardboard safely, and I had to do a lot of the work. And I thought, what I need is a material that the kids can do everything and do all the learning as well. And then I thought, newspaper is abundant. It was so abundant 30 years ago. When I was a kid, the lolly sticks were basically a rolled up sheet of paper. And we used to unroll them and write on them, and then they'd sort of furl up again. And I thought, why can't I do that to newspaper? So what I did is I spent ages inventing this machine called the newspaper sticks rolling machine. And it took a while to make because I wasn't an engineer, but I could make stuff, like furniture and stuff, so I had to develop my techniques. So that's 30 years ago. So I was making chairs, and you can make anything in effect. You can make a house, or you can make a dinosaur. And now, all these years later, all the newspapers are going digital. And so you go to these schools and they've got like 2 newspapers, and they say, we couldn't collect it. And in the old days, you used to be able to collect 2 meters of newspaper and make all these amazing thrones and sculptures. So I've been thinking about what are the alternatives, and one of the things that is striking is if you go past any recycle bin, that it's now full of cardboard. Amazon card, this card, that, all delivery card. I mean, card's obviously been used for making things forever, but why are the bins so full of card? Why aren't people out there making? What I worked out is that it's actually the cutting of the card up that's the tricky bit, because you can't make something out of a sheet of card or a box. If you cut it up and to slice it up, then it's like weavable or stickable with the tape. So I spent a while making a machine and made a new tape rack for the sticky tape. Basically, I'm looking to replace the newspaper because the newspaper's been the money maker for all these years. And there we are. That's where I am now, 30 years apart. Somehow the leaning into a problem is quite a thing. I quite like sometimes not knowing how things are going to go, but hoping that they will go okay.